is a vaccine resistance. It's the reality. How do you handle this is the job of the government.
So, like you said,
So from the day one, now they are trying to correct things after having already allowed the damage to have its own toll. You see, from the day one, when you are telling people to ensure that you don't have social gathering, you don't have political gathering, you maintain social distance. The Chief Minister goes around and calls the public to go and converge into his public function for cutting the river. They're also pertaining to a project in my own constituency. Just imagine, leader of the opposition's constituency, Chief Minister going and inaugurating a project where again I have given fund from my ML scheme on a convergence mode, without inviting the local MLA and leader of the opposition. Playing to the gallery, nothing else. These guys are good in playing to the gallery. Yes, is it the time to go and cut the hook, cut the ribbon? Yeah. After the MDC election, another round of cutting the ribbon. Earlier he said that he is a foundation stone Chief Minister. All the projects where I have laid foundation stone, now he is laying the inaugural stone. Is it the time? We are acting which is contrary to the scientific advice. Okay. If I have a meeting in one place, hundreds of people will converge. Is it the time for me to have a meeting like that? Public meeting? So friends, we must lead by example. We want to prevail upon people to agree to do something together. And if you don't lead by example, you have a big rock show during election. The rock show. You're campaigning or you're showing a rock show. You look at that William Nagar election campaign of Mr. Conrad Sangma, the Chief Minister, during MDC election. Was it an election campaign or some other festival? During pandemic, when the cases were rising, you have to lead by example. Through RTI you can find out. But what is visible before us is what we can share. Now if the DMNHO cannot employ even one extra person to ensure that you have enough person as an DMNHO for contact tracing, then you can understand. Okay? There is no extra manpower required who are put in place. In the interstate boundary, you have such a porous interstate boundary. Deployment of police and other officers along the Assam-Meghalaya border to deal with regulating movement of the people. Those are important because you are talking about the enemy, unseen enemy. So nothing is in place. That means if they have money, if they are spending, they must have comprehensive exercise to see where the priority lies, where the deficiencies are. Course correction, whenever these issues are brought up. We have brought up this issue, but where is the course correction? Was there any improvement from that meeting now? The cases have not declined. I am telling you now that the official figure, what is available on a daily basis, it will be minimum, multiple by 5 times of the figure. Minimum. That means if they are showing 500 now, you multiply by 5, it will be 2,500. It's much, much more higher than the official figure. Because they are not following this contact tracing anymore. How are they going to find where the virus is hiding? So virus is striking back at will. And you continue to have this restriction, containment, restriction, containment. Uska baad mein wo kya kar raha hai? Any other thing? That's the easiest thing. Oh, virus aa gaya, lock him inside. Easiest thing. There are many other things that they have to do. Then in respect of other patients, general patients, People are not getting medical care. People are being denied of that medical care which is required to be given to them in the name of COVID. Because facilities are not created for all the respective medical institutions, for the respective 100-bedded hospitals, civil hospitals, how to aggregate the resources, how to aggregate the manpower, and how to redeploy this manpower. Nothing is done. There's a complete dislocation and lack of coordination at the government level. Many decisions are taken by Chief Minister. Many decisions are taken by other secretariat level. Different decisions are taken by the health department. This is what is happening. This is what is happening. So, ALS ambulance, who has put the order? You ask them whether health department or somebody else. You have to find out. So, government has to understand the magnitude of the responsibility in a pandemic. You are dealing with pandemic.